back to my channel. My name's Malina, and today I'm so excited to show you guys part 2 of our new arrivals, which is going to be launched on You're Beautifull's birthday, which is July 27th, 2022 at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The new arrivals that I'm so excited to show you guys are going to be our new eyelash line. I can't wait to show you guys all of the different styles we have, so let's just hop right into it. I also want to mention that all of our eyelashes are vegan and cruelty free. Also, you can wear these eyelashes up to 25 times or more with proper care. The first eyelash that I want to show you guys is going to be from our faux mink lashes line. So the one I have right now is the one I'm wearing, which is Roxana. So this is how Roxana looks like. I'll do like a close-up for you guys. I'll also pop up in a video so that way it's easy to see, because I feel like, yeah, it's a little bit blinding. So yeah, so this is Roxana. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's so gorgeous. This is more of our dramatic eyelashes, but you know, there are days where you want a little bit of a dramatic eyelashes and also a little bit of a natural eyelash. I can also show you guys a little bit of a close-up of Roxana, since that's the one I'm wearing right now. So here's a little close-up of how Roxana looks like. Roxana is definitely a bit more dramatic, and it is longer in length, but I think it's just beautiful on. So yeah, this is how Roxana looks like. The next eyelash that I want to show you guys is going to be Ichigo. Ichigo is so beautiful. Ichigo is also a little bit more dramatic. It is less dramatic than Roxana though, but this is gorgeous. I know there's like a little reflection on it a little bit, but here's a close-up on it. So I think Ichigo is a really nice pair to have if you want in between natural and dramatic. Ichigo is your eyelash. Up next we have Athi. So Athi is more of a natural eyelash line, but it also gives you a little bit more volume in your eyelashes as well. So there's your close-up. The last eyelash I want to show you from our faux mink lash line is going to be Medea. If you love wispy eyelashes, this is definitely for you. Medea is so beautiful. It is a little dramatic, but it also is natural as well. And at the end of the eyelashes, there's a beautiful whips at the end. So the second lash line that I'm going to show you guys is going to be our Russian volume strip lashes. They are beautiful. They're gorgeous. We have some that are very natural and some that are a little bit more dramatic. So the first lash I will show you guys is going to be Misa. So Misa is very natural, as you can see from here. So there's a close-up. Misha is very natural. For all those girls out there who love natural lashes, this is definitely for you. The next eyelash that I want to show you guys is probably one of my favorites. I think they're beautiful. They're a bit more dramatic, but they are also wispy, which is going to be Yugi. Yugi is so beautiful. Here's the close-up of how she looks like. So this is how Yugi looks like. Yugi has a more dramatic feel to it. So Yugi has a more dramatic look to it, but is also wispy in the end. So this is a perfect pair. Up next, we have Hana. So Hana is a beautiful curled Russian strip lash, and you can definitely see the curls in Hana. So here's a closer look for it. I know it's a little bit hard to see because of the glare from my phone, but I will definitely say that Hana is very beautiful. Hana has very nice curls in the lashes, and they stick long really well, and at the edges too gives you a nice little curl in your lashes. And also they are a little bit more on the dramatic side, but I just feel like the curls just make everything perfect in this eyelash. Last but not least, we have Luna. So Luna is almost similar to Hana, but Luna is a little bit more on the natural side for our Russian strip lashes, and also her curls are beautiful. So here's a close-up of how Luna looks like. And what's a lash line without any lash tools? So the first lash tool I'm going to show you guys is the one that I use all the time, and it's in pink. So this one here is our lash application tweezer. So this one here is in pink, and I use this all the time. If you're going to put on your eyelashes, you definitely need lash application tweezers. Alright, the next lash tool that is my holy grail, which I'm using right now to keep my eyelashes on, is our 2-in-1 eyelash applicator glue. So we have two different versions. We have one that's diamond, and then we have one that is pearl. So let me show you guys a close-up of both of them. The first one I want to show you guys is our pearl 2-in-1 lash applicator glue. So here's a close-up of how Pearl looks like. She is gorgeous, beautiful. So the color of the eyeliner is a pigmented black, and it takes honestly like 5 seconds for the glue to dry up. So if you guys aren't familiar with a 2-in-1 application glue, it basically means that you can use this as an eyeliner, which also has glue in there, so that way it's just a one step for you to apply your lashes. The second one that I have to show you guys is going to be our diamond application, which is beautiful. Here is a close-up of how the diamond one looks like. So I also wanted to mention too that our eyeliner glue is sweat-proof, waterproof. It's highly pigmented, takes only 5 seconds to dry, and also there's no lifting in the corners. It's also cruelty-free, so we love that, and it's also hyperallergenic. Alright loves, so those were all of our new arrivals part 2 for You're Beautifull's birthday. Our new arrivals part 2 will be launched on July 27, 2022 at 5 p.m. Eastern time. I hope you guys like all of the new arrivals, and I can't believe that You're Beautifull is turning 2 years old. So help celebrate with us and have fun shopping. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that way you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!